Not bad, that's beautiful. Yes!
Yeah, no, that would be a good.
Bloody spelling!
Hello and welcome to the show. I am the Adjudicator. This week, contestants have been doing tasks set by me, the Adjudicator, and I've been there alongside them, adjudicating their efforts. After they've done their tasks, we'll review them and see who's done the best, who's done the worst, according to my adjudication. Strap it.
Oh, I think I'll do it this time.
Just rip it.
There you go. Task 3. Knock down the Pepsi cans.
You cannot step past the orange tape. This is fun.
The least number of items thrown to knock down all cans wins. If you can really like lob it, I think we'll be fine.
Oh, alright, that was like a really good lob.
Bitch. Hang on. Excuse me. Sorry.
1. One's been.
Feel how heavy that is. I'm gonna break the floor.
No. Okay.
Oh! Give me that one, go down. I got it down. Oh, is there another can we can't see? Oh, is it items, or is it still items thrown? A little bit sticky! Oh!
Please don't.
Okay, wait. Okay.
I guess.
Say we're done.
Right, read it one more time. Knock down the Pepsi can. Oh!
Wait, we can throw that.
Why not?
No! You can't! How's that?
Pepsi.
Oh, no!
I think so. He's not gonna say anything other than all you need is on the card.
What? What? Are we done? Please tell me. Please.
Did we do it? Oh my god!
I like that. That was a good.
So we completed it, so.
I feel like there's more Pepsi cans.
A block, a taped up block. So it's by definition one thing. So that's like 3 things now.
What is it? What if there's a can in there?
Okay, what if we move the tape? I'm not gonna. We're not stepping over the tape.
Look at someone. You look at someone.
Also push it.
Get me out of here.
Technically, there's nothing in there.
I'll take your list.
There's nothing I can do.
Knock down.
We have.
We're done. We're good. I don't trust any of you.
Let's just end it. Well, let's just end it, I feel.
What else counts?
It's gonna be too much. We have to stop. Stop. Let's just stop. Please.
Fine.
We're done.
Task 3. Knocking down Pepsi cans. Least number of items thrown. That's going to be how I'm judging it. Pair 1, straight in there. I liked it. You knocked down all but 3 immediately. I should say Carl knocked down all but 3 immediately. I did like the taping together the blocks idea. I'm going to happily count that as one object. I think if you have multiple things, you put them together, one object. So you guys only used 4 objects total. Pretty good. Pair 3 also just got to it. You got it done. You used a few more. You used 6 items. Pair 2. I mean, what happened? Because you guys completed the task in about 4 minutes and did not throw a single object. The chair idea was spot on. You roll the chair, kick all the cans over, you haven't thrown anything, sorted. But then you decided to read into the task like some kind of GCSE war poem, and you just threw a whole lot of shit everywhere, and then you picked up the cans that you just dropped and threw them, so that's plus 10. And then you left the room, having completed the task, and then came back in and stepped over the orange line, which should technically be a disqualification. Now, I'm going to be merciful with the disqualification, but I am going to count all the objects that you threw, which does put your total at 15. So, purely based on scores alone, pair 1, 3 points, pair 3, 2 points, pair 2, 1 point. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And I've been the Adjudicator. See you next time.